lists, dictionaries, and arrays in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI. Systems work with large amounts of data. To store and process this data efficiently, programmers use data structures such as lists, dictionaries, arrays. These data structures help AI programs organize information so that it can be analyzed and processed effectively. For example, AI systems may need to store thousands of images, large text datasets, numerical data, labels for machine learning models. Understanding lists, dictionaries, and arrays helps beginners learn how AI systems manage and process data. What are lists? A list is a collection of items stored in a specific order. In simple words, list equals a container that stores multiple values in order. Lists are commonly used in AI to store datasets or sequences of information. Example of a list. Example in Python. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Print numbers. Output 10, 20, 30, 40. Each value in the list is called an element. Lists can store many types of data, including numbers and text. Accessing list elements. Each item in a list has an index. Example. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Print numbers. 0. Output 10. The index starts at 0, which means the first element is at index 0. Lists in AI. Lists are useful for storing datasets. Example. Data equals 5, 10, 15, 20. Average equals sum. Data. Len. Data. Print. Average. Output. 12.5. Here the list stores numerical data that the program analyzes. What are dictionaries? A dictionary stores data as key-value pairs. In simple words, dictionary equals a collection of data where each value has a label. Key. Dictionaries are very useful in AI when data needs to be organized with labels. Example of a dictionary. Example in Python. Student equals name, Alice. Score, 95. Closing curly bracket. Print, student, name, output, Alice. The dictionary contains key value, name Alice, score 95. Dictionaries in AI. Dictionaries are often used to store labeled data. Example. Animal equals image 1 inch. Cat, image 2 inches. Dog, closing curly bracket. Print, animal, output, image 1 foot. Cat, image 2 feet. Dog. This structure can help AI systems store labels for datasets. What are arrays? An array is a data structure used to store multiple values, usually of the same data type. Arrays are very important in AI because they allow programs to handle large numerical datasets efficiently. In Python, arrays are often used through libraries such as NumPy. Example of an array. Example using NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Numbers equals NP, array. 1, 2, 3, 4. Print numbers. Output 1, 2, 3, 4. Arrays are optimized for mathematical operations. Arrays in AI. AI models often work with arrays of numbers. Example. Import NumPy as NP. Data equals NP, array. 10, 20, 30, 40. Print data, mean, output, 25. Arrays allow efficient numerical calculations used in machine learning. Comparison of lists, dictionaries, and arrays. Data structure description example use. List ordered collection of values storing datasets. Dictionary key value data storage labeled data. Array efficient numeric data storage mathematical calculations. Each structure is useful in different situations. Example. Using these structures together. Example program. Import numpy as np. Dataset equals 10, 20, 30. Labels equals item 1 inch. A. Item 2 inches. B. Closing curly bracket. Array underscore data equals np. Array. Dataset. Print. Array underscore data. Mean. Output. 20. Concepts used. Structure role. List stores dataset. Dictionary stores labels. Array performs numerical analysis. These structures work together in AI systems. Real-life analogy. Think of these structures like different ways to organize information. Example. List means shopping list. Ordered items. Dictionary means phone book. Name means phone number. Array means spreadsheet column of numbers. Each structure helps organize information in a different way. Why these structures are important in AI. AI systems rely heavily on data. Lists, dictionaries, and arrays help store datasets, organize labeled data, perform numerical calculations, process large amounts of information. Without these structures, managing AI data would be extremely difficult. Concepts learned from this topic. Understanding these data structures helps beginners learn. Checkmark how AI systems store data. Checkmark how datasets are organized. Checkmark how numerical calculations are performed. These concepts are essential for machine learning and data analysis. Where these structures are used. Lists, dictionaries, and arrays are used in many AI applications, including machine learning models, image processing systems, natural language processing systems, data analysis tools, recommendation systems. These structures are essential building blocks for AI programming. Simple definition. Lists, dictionaries, and arrays in AI. Data structures used to store and organize information so that AI programs can process datasets efficiently. Final summary. Artificial intelligence programs rely on data structures to manage information. Lists store ordered collections of data. Dictionaries organize labeled information using key-value pairs. Arrays store numerical data efficiently for mathematical operations. Together, these structures allow AI systems to store datasets, process information, and perform complex calculations. Understanding these tools is an important step toward learning AI programming.